Okay, so for this next example, I've got a simple pad pattern going in there. I'll just let you hear it. So a simple pad. So what I want to do here is if I want to set up, say, an LFO for this filter cutoff to kind of do this, right? So it's sort of, I want it to kind of do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a, going to go to here in the LFO one. This needs to kind of be set up before you set the velocity. So if I just go to filter cutoff, I'm going to turn the amount up. And I'll show you what this does first. So I'm going to change the rate to say, actually, let's do it free. So it's not set to the grid. So this is now, so you can hear it kind of getting this filter and doing this, right? Now, what we can do is we can get the velocity to map to the rate. So how fast that does that. Womp, womp, womp. So we might want it to go really slow on one note and then really fast on the other. So we're going to jump into the matrix. We're going to hit velocity again. And we're going to map this to LFO1 rate. It was LFO1. Let me just double check. LFO1. Yeah, it's the rate that I want that to do it to. So if I turn this up, now what's going to happen is when this is high, it's going to be a faster rate. And when it's down, you're not going to hear it going very quickly. So you can hear that there, right? So it's much slower here, and then I've ramped it right up. I'll slow it down a little bit. Let's do this. So you can hear how fast it's happening. It's kind of, and let's also go in so you can hear it going up and down even more. If we go into the matrix again and we change the amp, this is basically how much it's going to go up and down. I can also bring this amount up as well if we. So you can hear there. Now we could have the rate much slower again, start it off slower. Because the velocity is basically coming off this center point to where it's set originally. So if we bring it down even slower again, this is going to be slower because this is mapped to the velocity and it's coming off this center point. So you can get some really kind of nice movement there. Let's bring the resonance down because it's got a weird sort of twang that you might not really want. You might do. It's entirely up to yourself. I just want to show you how this works. Bring it back up again. So if you're making tech trance or techno, you can get some nice pads, getting some really cool sort of movement with the LFO right there mapped to the velocity.